We are also really very happy to see all of you here gracing the opening of the first ever stamp exhibit of PSCS here in Cebu. So in behalf of my fellow philatelists from the Philippine Stamp Collectors Society all over the world, we welcome you to Cebu's Mana Philatelica 2024. Cebu. Welcome and thank you for helping us. also like to officially welcome PSCS partner, not only for this event, but for our hobby. As staff collectors, as hobbyists, we are also very dependent to this institution and to the men and women of the Philippine Postal Corporation, or what we fondly call PhilPost. So they are led here by the Area 5 Central Visayas Director, Madam Marilyn Alcoy. She will be aptly introduced also later. And I think Madam Alcoy have also requested the other postman or postal officers from the different post offices in the province to come here and visit the exhibit for the whole 3 days. So thank you for that, Madam.
We have the Philippine Interpretation Agency. They're the ones in charge for the media coverage, for the tri-media in print, in video, and in TV. Also, special shout out to our schools. I think I have to mention this first. They came with the most number from Brightech. Thank you very much, Brightech. I understand it was mentioned by your president that the vision of the school is to form leaders, one student at a time. And I hope this activity will help you become the good leaders that you will become in the future. Thank you very much for having us. And of course, the parents for supporting the students. Also, shout out to the second school who came. Pardo National High School, thank you very much. Salamat sa pagkari. I know it's a holiday, but thank you for taking the time. Also, we have students from Don Sergio Senior Memorial National High School. Special shout out to the officials, the barangay captain and the council of Barangay Labangon. They were given shuttle and lunch pa daw. Wow! Salamat tayo kapitan in Konsihal Lands.
Hello! Good morning, everybody. Wow! The students are very energetic. Are you excited? Okay, that's good to hear. Okay, to our distinguished guests, Mr. John Ben Arañas, Assistant Mall Manager of SM Seaside City, Engineer Nicolas Baguio, President of Brightech College, local leaders, guests from the private sectors and NGOs, students, teachers, and of course to Mr. Jeremiah Pemio. Where are you, Mr. The lead organizer of this event, and of course, hindi kompleto ang aking speech, hindi ko mention si Fiscal Mark Alba, whom I have personally witnessed his passion, his dedication, the hard adrenaline during our collaborative meetings. Talagang siya yung very hands-on talaga siya during the meetings. And to those NGOs, the leaders from DOJ, and to all the mothers here, kahit na holiday, nandito kayo. I know this is very good chance para, it's good guys, good opportunity kasi it was declared holiday. So andito, marami tayong mothers na pumunta dito. So a pleasant morning to all of you. On behalf of the Postmaster General, Mr. Luis D. Carlos, it is my pleasure to see all of you here at SM Seaside for the Mana Philatica 2024 stamp exhibit. We are thrilled to showcase a collection of rare, unique stamps from around the world. Explore the history, artistry, and unique stamps from around the world. Cultural significance of this tiny treasure. We hope you enjoy this journey through the world of philately. The Postmaster General wishes to convey that PhilPost will be reviving philately and will be coming up with new and better stamps as well as projects and more collaborations that will improve our services. In this exhibit, you will find limited editions and unique prints that tell stories of their time. Rare find indeed. Also, You will be able to explore collections themed around significant historical events, famous personalities, and cultural milestones. We hope that our students will be able to engage and interact with our displays and learn the art of stamp collection. Together, hello kids, let us enjoy the beauty and diversity of Philately. Thank you for joining us and happy stamp collecting.
Ay, parang maya. Good morning! Mahina pa din. Good morning! Ayun, maayong buntag Cebu, maayong buntag po sa ating mga friends, sa ating mga distinguished guests. Dito na po kayo isa-isahin. And sa everyone here, welcome to Mana Philatelica 2024. And allow me the pleasure to introduce to you all Mana Philatelica 2024. Because I believe today we gather not just to admire the beauty and history encapsulated in these tiny pieces of art, but to celebrate something even more profound. And that is the future of Philately. Gram per gram, mas mahal ang stamps kaysa sa diamonds. Compared sa diamonds, hindi mo masusot ang stamps. But the history and significance of these small pieces of paper, I believe, would last more than diamonds. Now, the Philippine Stamp Collectors Society, or PSCS, is the one that's bringing you Mana Philatelica today. PSCS was born during the COVID-19 pandemic out of the desire to have a community of stamp collectors that can learn from each other. We are just about 4 years old as a Philatelic Society. But since then, this community has grown into a very strong Philatelic Society of 3,500 plus members and has been the biggest collective of philatelists in the Philippines since then. Now, what is a Philatelic Society without a stamp exhibit, right? Mana Philatelica was an annual stamp exhibit organized back then by the Pampanga Stamp Collector Society. Last year, Mana Philatelica was revived by PSCS in the city of San Fernando, Pampanga, where the Pampanga Stamp Collector Society was born. The theme back last year is Kalayaan at Pamana sa Susunod na Salinlan. It was a very fitting theme for an exhibit that hasn't been seen in decades, but was surely passed on for future generations of stamp collectors and philatelists to continue. This year, our theme is The Future of Philately is Now. When we were conceptualizing this exhibit, I was asked by Manong Dani, Jen, why the future of Philately is now? Initially, I thought, well, because it's catchy, but at the same time, it speaks about a pivotal moment in our hobby. For decades now, philately, or stamp collecting, has been a gateway to history, geography, science, and culture. It is a way to connect to the world and its stories. Yet, katulad ng lahat ng mga hobbies that is rooted in tradition, has faced challenges. The digital age, the age of internet, mobile phones, and SMS, with its fast-paced changes, has sometimes seemed to overshadow the simple joy of collecting stamps. But I stand here today to tell you that the future of philately is brighter than ever. Hindi dapat, as collectors, hindi dapat tayo matakot na natatabunan tayo ng text and social media. We live in an era where technology offers us unprecedented tools to share our passion with others, especially to the young ones. Yung mga bata natin na nandito ngayon, they are our future, including our future sa hobby na to. Social media platform allows us to connect with fellow enthusiasts across the globe, creating a vibrant and worldwide community. PSCS is a testament to that. From a private Facebook group, we have members all over the world. Online marketplaces and digital catalogs make it easier than ever to discover and acquire rare stamps, some of which are featured in the exhibits today. We are now overcoming geographical barriers that once limited our collections. And with the digital archiving and virtual exhibitions, we can preserve and display our collections in ways that were not imaginable just a few years ago. But beyond the schools, technology offers us something even more valuable. A way to engage
in schools. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, this morning. We are thrilled to announce the signing of a memorandum of agreement between Brighton College and the Philippine Stamp Collectors Society, Cebu. This partnership marks the beginning of an exciting journey as we establish a stamp collectors at Brighton College. And we're very proud to say that we at Brighton will be trailblazing in terms of having a stamp collectors society in our school. I would like to jump ahead with what Fiscal Mark mentioned about stamp. He will go to DepEd. Fiscal Mark, within this school year, I will go to DepEd Ilugan, and we will have our own mini show in our school, inviting all private schools and public schools in Ilugan to attend to that. We believe that this partnership will enhance our academic and cultural life in our campus. It is our plan to stamp an exhibit in the future. Philately, as it is called, is the study and collection of postage stamps, is more than just a hobby. It is a gateway to understanding history, geography, art, and culture from a unique perspective. Through our new society, our students will have the opportunity to delve into this fascinating world, fostering not only their intellectual curiosity, but their appreciation for the stories.
Contribution is ahead for the 2024 Mana Philatelica. His passion for philately and commitment to fostering a vibrant and engaging environment have significantly and inspired many enthusiasts. They would like to extend their deepest gratitude for your tireless efforts and unwavering of support. Surprise? Yay! Another reason for you to decide to transfer residence in the Queen City of the South. weekend. It's a long weekend. You can have the chance and opportunity to enjoy as well. Thank you once again for gracing the opening. Yes, go ahead. Sige na, please.